Eliza here, and I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to explore the search engine optimization possibilities LearnWorlds offers and learn how to set the general settings for your online course. Let's begin. First, log into your LearnWorlds school and then go over to Courses. Choose the course you want to adjust and then navigate to the Courses Settings tab. The first thing you can see here is the course card. The course card allows you to give out some key information about the course. From here, you can select an image for your course, edit the course title and description. You can even add a label and information about the author as well as the author's avatar picture. Then you choose to select or create a category for your course. This will help you keep your course material organized. Now, in terms of search engine optimization, the LearnWorlds platform comes with a few powerful options. SEO optimizing your course can help you rank for the right keywords, get more clicks, and eventually more customers. So, the SEO setting under this tab allows you to boost SEO performance and getting your course in front of your audience. The SEO Live Preview shows you how your online course will appear on a Google search for desktop and mobile devices. The last two settings here give you the option to either automatically extract your course SEO and let us decide on your course metadata or create yours manually. We suggest creating yours manually for better results. To do this, simply switch this off and then come up with an SEO title that works, add your SEO descriptions, keywords, and image. And that's it. You've just chosen your course settings and gave your course an SEO boost. Thanks for watching and see you soon.